Alright guys, here it is. The AT3 Practical 1005 nickel boron 2-stage trigger. So, right out of the box, you can sort of see it's similar to Rock River 2-stage national match, and they're claimed at the same weight. This one just has nickel boron coating to it. Here's the AT3 tactical trigger and a stock AR trigger side by side, and it's going to be going in my 6.8 SPC AR-15 with an Anderson lower. And here is our trigger fully installed. So let me close the receiver here and get function check. So that works. First stage, pretty small. Second stage, pretty clean. And the reset. Nice. Looking good. So I first came across this trigger when I was looking for an upgrade for Zoe's MCX Hybrid, which is basically an M400 lower mated to an MCX upper. Now the trigger it came with wasn't bad, but it wasn't great either. And this trigger is much lighter and much smoother than that trigger was. So the signature malfunction for any inferior trigger is a light primer strike. There's 30 rounds of tool. They have pretty hard primers, so usually if you can ignite this stuff, you can ignite anything. Locked open. So I took some video of this trigger getting shot in my 6.8 SPC AR-15 out at the public range, but there were a lot of people there today and there was a lot of shooting going on. So there's going to be a lot of random gunfire in the background that makes it a little hard to distinguish my shots from everybody else's. Too bad. got it dialed. I knew I was going to miss that last one. All around, my experience with the AT3 Tactical 2-stage trigger has been very positive. Zoe's had it installed in her rifle for a little over 3 weeks, and she's experienced 0 failures. I've experienced 0 failures in my 6.8 SPC AR-15. It's got a light, crisp break, an easy-to-hear, easy-to-feel reset, and it is much smoother than the stock trigger that came in my AR-15 lower. It made ringing steel out at 225 yards easy for both me and Zoe, and it's all around a great value. It goes for $88 shipped out of AT3Tactical.com, and it's a great option that won't sink your budget if you're looking to upgrade your AR-15. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time.